Hey there! Welcome to my channel. My name is Janelle and I make vegan recipes that are easy, delicious, affordable, and are always gluten-free. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious new recipe, Nourish Bowls with a spicy coconut rice with fresh ginger and chipotle peppers, roasted red onion, crispy sweet soy curls, and massaged kale. I know that sounds like a lot going on, and actually there kinda is a lot going on, but despite that, the steps involved are very quite simple, and this really only takes about half hour or so to whip up, and you got yourself a delicious meal. That could also be really great for a meal prep, and usually you'll have some leftovers, which is great because then you don't have to cook as much, which is always nice. Before we get started, I'm just gonna come out and say it like I always do. I would be so appreciative if you please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Your subscribership really helps me build my channel as a new YouTuber, which is great. Win-win. You help me and I give you free recipes. All right, well now that's out of the way, let's make a Nourish Bowl. Alright, here's everything you need to make this recipe. Feel free to pause here and take a longer look, or just wait until the end and head to the blog post linked in the video description below. To make the rice, we're using an Instant Pot, but any other pressure cooker will do, or you can simply cook it stovetop style. Let's start by hydrating the soy curls in a large bowl with boiling hot water, covering them by about 2 inches. After 10 minutes, they'll be plump and hydrated. Strain out the water and press out any excess moisture with the back of a spoon. This is so they better absorb the liquid seasonings. Transfer them back to the large bowl and pour in the maple syrup and gluten-free soy sauce or tamari. Stir everything really well to ensure each piece is thoroughly coated. Next, add the nutritional yeast and again stir really well to combine. The nutritional yeast is going to add delicious savory umami and also help them to crisp up as they bake. Transfer the soy curls to a parchment-lined baking sheet, spacing them as evenly apart as you can. Leave about a third of the baking sheet empty and add your quartered red onion. Drizzle half a tablespoon of the sesame oil over the onion, as well as a few grinds of black pepper and a dash of salt. Gently massage in the seasonings with your hands, ensuring each quarter is coated. Place the baking sheet on the top rack of your oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, flipping the soy curls halfway. Grab your Instant Pot and turn on the saute function at medium heat. Warm 1 tablespoon of the sesame oil until it's hot, then add the minced chipotle peppers and fresh ginger to the pot. Saute for about 3 minutes until golden and fragrant, stirring frequently to prevent burning. Add in the rinsed brown basmati rice and combine well with the aromatics, allowing the rice to toast slightly. Next, add in your canned coconut milk. If yours has solidified like mine here, simply allow the hardened cream to melt in the pot for a couple minutes. Next, add in the veggie broth, and tip, if it's already hot when you add it, you'll help reduce the amount of time your Instant Pot takes to reach pressure, and it'll help the coconut cream melt faster too. Give everything a good stir, and once the cream has melted, add in half a teaspoon of salt and fresh lime zest. If you don't have a lime, lemon could work here too, just use the zest of half the lemon instead. Seal the lid on your Instant Pot, turn off the saute function by hitting cancel, and use the rice setting. Do a natural pressure release for 10 minutes once it's done, then do a quick release for the remaining pressure. While everything's cooking, roughly chop your kale and transfer to a large bowl. Drizzle the remaining half a tablespoon of sesame oil and give it a nice little massage with your hands. Alright, so your rice is cooked now, yay! If there's still a little extra liquid in the pot, like mine, simply keep the warming function on and let it sit for 5 minutes or so, stirring a few times until it's all been absorbed. Ta-da! Deliciously creamy, spicy rice. The soy curls should come out looking something like this, crispy and golden, yet tender on the inside. Your red onion will be slightly charred and caramelized, and if you've never tried roasted red onion, whew, you are in for a treat. Time for the best part, in my opinion, filling up your bowls. The flavor combinations in this recipe are out of this world, people. Pairing smoky, spicy, and creamy rice with savory and crispy maple soy curls, plus sweet and tangy red onion with fragrant sesame kale, I am quite literally drooling. Seriously, Nourish Bowls are your best friend when it comes to cozy cold weather eats. The customization is endless as you can switch up the ingredients every time you make them. They're so filling, nutritious, and yummy, and are perfect for easy meal prepping or batch cooking to save you time throughout the week. Plus, this rice recipe here will absolutely make for lots of leftovers, which means you can use it for lots of other meal ideas beyond just a Nourish Bowl. Tacos, burritos, wraps, fried rice, or simply just on its own. It is that good. You know, sometimes I just get a craving for all of the things at once. Sweet, spicy, hot, creamy, crunchy, fresh. Did I leave anything out? What is an indecisive hungry person to do? Well, whether it's lunch or dinner, weeknight or weekend, you can easily prepare a Nourish Bowl and satisfy all of your hankerings. If you enjoyed watching this video and are about to run to your kitchen to go and make yourself a Nourish Bowl, I would so appreciate if you liked my video and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate all of you who do follow me. I'm a new YouTuber trying to build my audience and subscribership, and your support is so appreciated. Thanks again for tuning in, and I will definitely be seeing you in a future recipe video. Bye!